Will you still be here?
Hey guys, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys my TEAMI MIXit. I'm super excited to share this with you guys, and I'm also going to be sharing with you guys how I use it and also how I make my protein mix that I showed you guys in my what I eat in a day video. I did not show you guys how I make it because I was specifically waiting for this to come in the mail. Now I do have another one. This one is my pink one, and I also have a black one because I love pink and black. Hence, if you couldn't tell, I'm wearing all black. My hair is black. But anyways, I wanted to go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Now I did have to already unbox the black one, which is back there, and charge it so that I can obviously be able to share with you guys my recipe for my morning protein shake. Anywho, let's go ahead and get into unboxing this. So number one, like, how cute is this packaging? Like, this packaging is super duper cute. So this is the pink one. It has all the instructions on the side as to how to use it, and then it has a breakdown of the parts and everything. I know the camera is washing it out, but obviously when you get it, you will be able to see it. It says 30-minute smoothie make, or 30-second smoothie maker. Leave it up to me to mess up everything. Okay. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox this one for you guys. So let's go ahead and unbox it. And I'm super excited because I have not opened this one yet, and my favorite color is pink, so I know I'm gonna be excited. Okay, so number one, I'm pulling out a little USB cord. This is how you will go ahead and charge your TEAMI MIXit blender, and that's pretty good. And it's like a really short cable, so you don't have to worry about it getting damaged or anything like that. So now I'm just going to go ahead and take out the actual MIXit blender. And it does come very secured in here, so you don't have to worry about it. As you guys know, this is glass, so you will, you know, obviously want it to be protected, and it's definitely protected and packaged really nicely. It also comes with this TEAMI MIXit user guide, so if you have any questions about anything like that, like using it and, you know, proper ways of washing it and all that good stuff, they have a guide here for you. So I think that is really, really good because obviously you want to take care of your MIXit. Okay, so here is the top part of it, which is so super duper cute. Like, how cute is that? Okay, yeah, there you guys can see. So how freaking cute is that? So that is the top, and then here is the bottom. Should probably put this box down. So here is the bottom piece. So let me go ahead and try to go ahead and put it on there. Okay, so that was super duper easy. Here is the charging port. Here's the button for it, but of course I'm gonna share with you guys all that good stuff when I share with you when I make my protein mix. So here's how it looks. This is super cute, and the one thing that I really love about this is that it is portable. It does hold a charge up to 3 or 4 hours. I can't remember. So yeah, but it does hold a charge up to those amount of hours. And the thing I love about it too is that you can actually use this for like just drinking it. So you could detach it from here and just go ahead and drink it. And also this is portable, so you could just pack up your fruits or whatever you're going to mix in your smoothie and take it with you. And once you are ready for it, you can just put it in here and blend it. Here is the top, so you just push the button here and you have your nozzle top there, and you can just go ahead and drink your smoothie or whatever you are going to make in here. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get right into me sharing how I make my protein drink. Okay, divas, so now I'm just gonna show you guys how I make it, and then I want to show you guys just simply how to charge it. So you just plug up the USB. If you don't have USB ports in your plugs, all you have to do is plug it up to an adapter and then plug it in. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I make my drink, which I showed you guys before, but I just want to kind of quickly tell you guys how I feel about the TEAMI MIXit. I really, really do like it. It blends down to the perfect consistency in just 30 seconds, which is really, really impressive. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys how I feel about it, everything. And of course, I love my TEAMI Wellness Protein.
If you guys are interested in any of these products, then definitely go ahead and use my code for money off if you want to. I will leave it in the description box below. But yeah, I hope that you guys have enjoyed seeing my little ingredients and just seeing that I simply use this TEAMI MIXit to go ahead and quickly make it. But yeah, anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.